Hi guys, so I'm doing a favorites video for 2018. I hope you all had an excellent year and I hope 2019 is even better. One is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum, Hydrating Serum. I really enjoy this. It's hyaluronic acid and I really find that this really plumps my skin and moisturizes my skin. I really enjoy that. And I really enjoy the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I use this almost every night actually. The Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal, this little thin one, because I like to create little hair-like strokes. Eye priming, this should come as no surprise, is the P. Louise base in color 0. This is a white base. I enjoy white bases for making the colors pop. And I enjoy this base because it has good longevity with the colors. They stay vibrant, they don't crease, they don't crack. And I do have a problem because I have deep set eyes. I have a problem with creasing. And I also get extremely dry eyelids. And speaking of dry eyelids, I do like to use Burt's Bees lip balm on them. I've been using this for years on my eyelids, and I only found out recently that this is something that kids use to get like a high sensation on their eyes. You can Google it, I swear. I've been using it for years, and this doesn't do me like that. So, I mean, I wish it did, but it doesn't. Zulu Juvia's Place, you had to know. I love that one. I have a 10 looks 1 palette on all of these. Slush by September Rose Cosmetics. I really enjoy this one. Extremely bright, extremely pigmented. Sultry by Anastasia. The Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in black, of course. I've had a multitude of those. For pencil eyeliner, I recently, near the end of 2018, became in love with this, the Ulta Beauty Gel Eyeliner in Blackout. I really like the L'Oreal Infallible Lacquer Liner, the 24-hour in Blackest Black. Glitter primers for the eyes. I have two favorites, NYX Glitter Primer and Lit Clearly Liquid Glitter Base. Probably no surprise because I mentioned the base, but Lit Cosmetics glitters are some of my favorites. They're not irritating on my eyes, and they come in an assortment of colors. Also, the Sample Beauty pigments. I like the Catrice one. I've been using this for a while. The Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I really enjoy this one. It takes away the darkness that I have under my eyes. So I really love the Danessa Myricks Color Fix 24-hour matte color. This is really gorgeous under the eyes. And then also the Revolution Conceal & Correct Color Correcting Concealer. And I have this one in white as well. The Catrice Prime and Fine, when I'm feeling really moisturized and I want to get rid of some of my pores. I do like the Catrice Prime and Fine. However, the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer is the one that I've been living by lately. Talking about the YSL All Hours Foundation. Other foundations I like are the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and then the Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Foundation. So I've been using this for about 10 years because I'm 24 now. This is the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. I use NC15. This is NW15 because they didn't have NC when I purchased it. I'm sure I have NC in there because I have a ton of them. This was the powder foundation that I used to use when I worked as a makeup artist full-time, and I have since retired, for those who don't know. And then Shivering White is the one I put under my eyes because I like a really stark white under eye, as I've mentioned. Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. It's the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronze Coconut Perfect Tan. This is stunning. I'm a really big fan of that. Something comparable that I do enjoy is the Butter Bronzer Physicians Formula. I've been using Physicians Formula for years. Do you remember when they had those little ball bronzers? and they would be like a bunch of little balls in it, and they were so messy because you dip your brush in and a ball would get stuck in the brush and it'd go flying, and then there'd be powder on your rug. Anyway, these two are from Makeup Forever. Is B402, and one of them is B216. I like a really pigmented blush because I can control whether I want to dip my brush in a bit, tap it off, and have a little bit, or I can also use them as eyeshadows. Saharan Blush by Juvia's Place. These two palettes are really gorgeous. Makeup Revolution. It's this gold. I'm sorry for my cat, she's yelling at me. This is what it looks like on the inside. They're really pretty. I love the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. So I bought the Stila. That one to me is just really pretty. I would have loved the Stila Heaven's Dew would have been in here if it wasn't so small. And then, of course, I had to recommend the Danessa Myricks Inlight Powders, Inlight Aura of Light, and Inlight Halo Powder Ice. These are stunning. These are what I use to get the wet look. The Halo Powder Ice is a bit more of a silvery cool tone, and the Inlight Aura of Light is a bit more of like a white that blends into the skin. But these are just absolutely gorgeous. They give off the most stunning sheen, and they do make me look wet, in my opinion. Then for mascara, I really enjoy Benefit They're Real. I've been using this for years. This is my favorite mascara. I've used tons of them, but I always go back to Benefit They're Real, and I like this because you can always get a sample with your VIB Rouge points, and I never go through, because I don't wear mascara every day, I never go through a full mascara, so I really enjoy that. For liquid lipsticks, I pretty much only use liquid lipsticks now. If we're talking cream formula, Bobbi Brown is my favorite. I don't have any with me at this time because I haven't purchased any in a very long time. They're the cream lipstick that I used to use when I was a makeup artist as well. I really enjoy the Bobbi Brown cream lipstick. And then for liquid lips, I like Jeffree Star, Anastasia, and Fenty. They're all pretty much the same color, it looks like. But on the skin, they're really different. It's weird. I really enjoy all of these. I'm really excited for Fenty to bring out more colors. I do wish that this was a more generic bottle because it is hard to display. I have mine all stored in like a turn carousel, and they're all square compartments that fit circle liquid lipsticks, and this is not circle. So, but I really enjoy Anastasia, Jeffree Star, and Fenty liquid lipsticks. For lip gloss and lip toppers, the Fenty Beauty, the Gloss Bomb has to be one of my favorite. It's Fussy or Fussy. It's Pussy with an F. I really like this Gloss Bomb. It's gorgeous. I have all of these colors as well. I really enjoy Diamond Milk, and I also enjoy the original Fenty Glow. I like also the Hypnotic Lights Lip Topper from Milani. I think this is really pretty. I think they come in more unique almost colors, but really gorgeous as well. And then the Makeup Revolution lip topper. I have it in the color Luxurious. I have a multitude of these, but this is like a moisturizing lip topper that almost leans gloss. The Milani one pretty much dries into a matte formula just with the glow. Like it dries completely down. The Makeup Revolution one does not. It's like kind of in between. And the Fenty is real glossy. For cream, highlight, lipstick, highlight, blush, and bronzer. I have another one in here. I wanted to mention the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. I have the color Suede, Yacht Life, and Starstruck. I wanted to do a full face using only 3 products and have these be the 3 products. I don't know if I'm still going to do that, but you can use these for blush, for lips, for highlight, for foundation, for eyeshadow, for eyebrows. These are so versatile. So the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks, Shimmer Skin Sticks, and Matte Skin Stick in Suede, Yacht Life, and Starstruck. Last but not least, I have 2 final things. So I wanted to include something else in the setting category for setting sprays. However, you can no longer get in Canada the Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic setting spray. For some reason, they don't ship it here, so I'm really upset about that. However, I do still really enjoy the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. This is one of my favorites. The final product I have, excuse how messy this is, the Cover FX Glitter Drops. For body sheen, this is what I love in the color Nova. This to me is absolutely stunning. I want to buy the rest of the colors. I have another one on my wish list that's like a light champagne color. This one blended perfectly in with my skin, and it gave me the most beautiful sheen all over my body. I used it all over, so it's like down to here now after one use because I'm a big girl and I have a big body. So anyway, guys, I really hope you liked the video. I'm trying to think now if I covered every single category, but I think I did. These are pretty much the products I use in almost every single one of my Get Ready With Me videos. All I really switch up is the color of the lip, the color of the glitter, the eyeshadow palette. I'll use a Lit Cosmetic glitter. I'll just switch up the color. I'll use a different Jeffree Star lipstick. I'll switch up the color. You know what I mean? I really hope you guys liked the video. I hope that this inspires you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much for supporting me, and it means more to me than I could ever describe to you. Thank you so much, and I hope you have an excellent day. Bye.